So, hello, it's tutorial for Lemat revolver. Rounds, you need 6 of them. You can change this to 2x2 round brick. Rounds. Here comes the base. Here comes the revolver. It's built by one piece. Because it needs to be like if you can't follow by speed, you can slow down the video. I'm not Russian. If my accent is visible, with the base of the roller, it puts on like this. It puts on like this. So what do you need to do? So if you want to load this revolver, firstly you need to take the round, put it in here. Then you make this and put it back in this position. Then you make until all of 6 rounds are gone. Then when you want to load this barrel, it's specifically there, you load this basketball, or if you have 2x2 round brick, you load 2x2 round brick. You take out this and make these moves in the barrel, like a musket. Then you, if you want to make it very realistic, you make then you make this and you and okay, so you can aim like this. Yeah, that's the tutorial. Bye.